Merengue with your mama. Dance merengue if you wanna. Little more candonade. It'll bring you right back to me.
What is up, you guys? I am back, and I'm back to YouTube, and I have so much to talk about, so much to address, like why I've been gone so long. I'm here to talk about this hair today. So if you want to know the specs in this hair, just keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. So today, guys, we're going to be talking about this hair. This hair is by yours truly, and I'm here to introduce my business, my brand, my baby to you guys. It is called Elle Extensions. This is my baby. Like, I have been working tediously and non-stop on this project, and I'm so excited to bring it to you guys today. If you're watching this video, by the time this video is up, it is my birthday, so go ahead and type a little birthday note under there, girl, and you know, wish me a happy birthday. I am 22 today, and you know, it's been a good year. You know, I'm thankful. I'm blessed to see another year, and I'm so happy for what is in store for my year. It wouldn't have been possible without God, of course, the love and the support of my friends and family. Thank you to you guys. Quick little shout out. Thanks for believing in me. I'm so excited to talk about this. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is my packaging for my extensions. I will be selling raw extensions, which means that the hair has never been processed, dyed, or anything like that to make it look a certain way. I am wearing my hair right now. This is my raw Indian wavy, and I absolutely love this hair. I'm not just saying that because it's my brand. It really is some good hair. Like, I've been wearing this hair non-stop for about 6 to 7 months. Girl, when I tell you, this hair is like the bomb.com. Like, it's silky. You can run your hands through it. You can curl it. You can dye it. You can fry it. You can lay it to the side, honey girl. Whatever you feel like you want to do to your hair, you can do it to this hair. So let's move on. So when you get your bundles, they will come in a box like this, and they just open up like this, and they have a ribbon which ties, and you'll open it up and you'll see all your goods in there. It will come with one of my business cards, which just has shop the luxury raw hair collection and become an Elle bombshell, and this is what they look like. If it will focus, that's what they look like. And it just has all of my social media handlings on it, how you can reach me, email me, my website, which is www.lextension.com. And so, yeah, that's how you can get in contact with me. I also have, this is my care card. It just has all of my hair care 101, how to take care of your extensions on the inside, and then it tells you information on how to get 10% off of your next purchase, and it just has my social media handlings. It tells you everything you need to know about raw hair, how to take care of it, the specs on it, because I know a lot of people, when they think of hair, they think of the Brazilian hair that is so silky and so like not real, that they forget that there's actually raw hair out there, and when you get raw hair, it mimics real hair, like, because it is real hair. You have to treat it like it's your real hair. You have to wash and condition it like it's your own. You have to just keep it moisturized like it's your own hair, it try to, you know, just treat it like it's your own hair. Like, would you dye your hair 3 times, flat iron it, wash it again, and dye it again all in one day? No, you wouldn't do that to your own hair. So don't do that to your real hair. I mean, your extensions. So yeah, so that's my take on that. A little bit about the business. I started the business because I love hair. I love makeup, hair, shopping, all the girly things I love, and especially hair. Like, I've always loved hair. Like, when I was in, was it junior high? No, high school. It was 10th grade. I had my hair cut in like the Megan Good little chopped pixie cut. Like, hair has been, and I dyed it, I put streaks in it. Like, hair has been my thing for a long time. So I decided, why not like combine something that I love with something that could make me money. I don't know how else to put it. So I do offer a custom wig making service. It'll just be me, so I don't have anybody on my team, but it'll just be me making the wigs. If you do want to meet wig made by me, just go on there, book your consultation. The consultation can either be over FaceTime or in person, so that I can measure your head, or you can measure your head on camera, and I can write down your measurements so that I can have your frontal laid correctly. Now, if you're getting a what's it called, a closure wig done, I would just need the perimeters and diameters of your head, so that the wig will fit. I do know how to bleach knots. I will probably put a video up on how I bleach knots, just so you can see what I'm doing to your hair if you decide that you want me to make your wig. You do have to schedule a consultation for whatever wig you decide to get. You do have to have 3 bundles plus a closure or frontal to book a consultation. I don't work with anything less than 3 bundles because it depends on how big your head is, how small your head is. It just depends. Like, I need enough hair to fill the wig. Like, we don't want no half done space, this much space in between your tracks on your wig. Like, we don't want that. So 3 bundles or more, plus a closure or frontal, which I do sell on my website. On my website, you will find raw Indian, curly and wavy, Burmese curly and wavy, and I do have other origins and textures that are going to be added along with wigs and along with actual full lace wigs and different colors. Well, not different colors, probably blonde, but you will see me in the hair, and when I do the curly textures, I do wear them with no products. So you will see how that forms, or how that how the curly hair does with no product. Like I said, the hair does react to weather. It reacts like it's your real hair. So just keep that in mind, because if it gets wet, it's going to curl up and get a little frizzy. If it gets, like, if it's humid outside, it's gonna get big. Like, just, you know, just the normal things that your hair would do, this hair does. The closures and the frontals are also, they're both Swiss lace. They come in lengths from, I think, 12 to 20. So that should suit any length you want, because the hair in the front naturally is shorter than the hair that's growing in the back of your head, so that'll make sense. just go, like, my website has everything laid out. It's pretty straightforward, simple, straight to the point. I will have a sale going on. I'll put the sale in the description box, but it's either gonna be slow. Actually, you know what? I'll do a if you watch this video all the way through, yeah, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. YouTube's gonna have its own separate coupon code. Yeah, if you're watching this video, you have your own coupon code, and I'm gonna put it right here because you gotta watch the video to get the code. Now, girl. So I'm hooking y'all up. So yeah, now I'm just gonna take the time out to show you a little bit of the bundles that I do have right now. I have more raw Indian than anything. So yeah. Okay. So this is my raw Indian wavy. This is one bundle. I think this is a 24-inch bundle because that's what I have in right now. It looks pretty similar. Have to go back in and write the links. I forgot. But anyway, this is one bundle of raw Indian wavy. And as you can see, it's really full. It's really defined. Like, it's really some really good hair. Like, I love this hair. Love it. And I'm not just saying that again because it's my product. It's really a good product. And it sells itself. Like, look at that. It's really good hair. But so yeah, I made a wig for a client, and she left like some of her bundle of her curly Burmese. She had curly Burmese hair. So I don't have since I made her a wig, she got the last of my inventory. So this is the Burmese curly hair. It's really nice, really soft. It holds a curl. Like, it's just really dry right now, and it's been like, actually, you know what? Let me show you what it does when it gets wet. So I want to show you what this curly hair does when it gets wet. I'm just going to spray it. Spray it. Like, it's been played over, like I made a wig out of it. It's been through the ringer. And as you can see, like, this one little piece of a track, and is no tangling. Like, I'm running my brush right through it. Like, there is no tangling whatsoever. Like, and this one little piece of track is like really full. But yeah, you can see what it does when it's wet. I absolutely love this hair. I'm getting myself wet. But yeah, I absolutely love this hair. And this is one piece of a track. So you already know how full it actually is. Like, it's really pretty. So yeah, that's just a little bit of what I will be offering you guys. I hope you find the product as gorgeous as I find the product. I hope you like the hair. And like I said, like, this is, like, I wouldn't lie to you guys just to sell my product. Like, it's really good. Like, and I love it. Like, I really have been wearing it, and I might insert pictures, but I have been wearing it since January, like January 7th or something like that. Like, I've been wearing it for 6 months straight. Like, and it's June 8th. So yeah, I've been wearing it for quite of a long time. So yeah, that's what you can expect this coming up month. I will be adding more textures and more patterns, more wigs, more colors, all in due time. I just wanted to get my feet wet, see how it was received throughout the public. So yeah. So ways you can get in touch with me through my business and through my personal. My personal Instagram is Lauren Ware, LaurynWare. My business Instagram is Elle Hair Extensions _ I'm putting all of this right here so you can see how the spelling and all of that, and it will be in the description box. I'm just letting you know how to get in touch with me. My Facebook is Elle Extensions Hair Collection, and I have a business email, which is lextensions18@gmail.com. And of course, my website is www.lhairextension.com. And you know, you can find me on there. You can write me, I write back. Just ask questions, and I will get back to you. I'm not like too uppity to reply, like that's crazy. But anyway, yeah, so I'm excited. I'm gonna keep rambling if I don't end this video here. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and keep on watching for more content. I will be back soon on how I constructed a wig, so you can see how I do that. And yeah, so just follow me and subscribe, and I love you guys. Bye.